So how do you balance the demands of family law and mediation with your personal philosophy on justice and advocacy? How do you do it all?
Um, so I would say that family law and mediation, which are really primarily the two areas that I specialize in, and then also business as well too. I see all of those as being areas that an attorney can perfect their advocacy skills, right? So that we can not only advise the client on how to navigate their business ventures and their, how to draft a contract or not draft, but to negotiate a contract, how to, strike a deal. All of those things that we do as attorneys all are for the same purpose of advocating for that client so that they can be successful in whatever area that they come to you for, So as a family attorney, I pretty much give my clients advice on how to either get out of their situation if it's a divorce or to keep their families intact. If it's a support case or a custody action. So I advise my clients with respect to that. When it comes to business, how to, I help them to formulate that entity, that business entity, and then to keep their businesses going and to help them with their brand and to help them negotiate a contract or to help them, sort out, what they need to do within that contract. And as far as the other areas that I do as well too, mediation, it's mostly for family cases. I do mediation. So when you don't want to go to court, you do still end up going to court, but when you are divorcing and you want a mediator involved and you don't want it to be something that's contentious, then I help with that respect. So I think that advocacy is the key word, and that's how I see myself as an attorney, not just an attorney but an advocate, somebody who is navigating, cheerleading, coaching, consulting, helping you along, triaging so that you can figure out what the issues are and be able to get to the result that you want.